Ricardo Cabeludo!
Antonia, septimo.
Hey! Pessoal, olha só, hein? O meu Raban! Raban! Abra, Raban! Ricardo Cabeludo!
Antonia, septimo.
Hey, Antonia, what are you cooking today? Hey!
Hello guys. Okay, I'm gonna cook a coconut bread.
Bolo de coco!
Bola de coco.
Ricardo Cabeludo! Aqui, Antonia!
Good afternoon from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia septimo. Hi, lovely people in YouTube. How are you? I'm gonna make it is coconut bread, Philippine style. Okay, guys, this is the recipe. Is we have flour, eggs, salt, milk, and oil and sugar. So we're gonna mix it together with the bread machine. Okay, let's begin. Okay, unahin natin yung flour. Okay, people. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng Pandi Coco! Okay, people. This is sugar. And yeast. Ayan. Pagsasama-samahin lang po. Just make all together the ingredients. Salt. Asin. Meron tayong lana, oil. Okay. And then milk. Okay, warm milk. That's it, guys. And then, okay, the ingredients all together, so I need to start. Okay, people, this is about 45 minutes. And then the filling is later.
Hey! Antonia! Making coconut bread! Hey! Spettacolo! Hey!
Coconut bread.
Hey! Ricardo Cabeludo! Hey! Hey! Ricardo Cabeludo, aqui de Londres, pessoal! É Márcio Júnior! Márcio Júnior! E este grupo maravilhoso! Aqui fala Ricardo Cabeludo, aqui de Londres, pessoal! Eu tenho o meu Raban! Olha só que lindo eu estou! Estou muito lindo, pá! Pessoal! Tony as Becas! Linda música! Jorge Henrico! Um grande abraço! Sandra Dias! Marcial Dias, aqui com Ricardo Cabeludo, Dema, linda música maravilhosa, e muita gente aí no grupo, pá, toda a gente do grupo com linda música, Ricardo Cabeludo, aqui de Londres, diretamente para esse grupo maravilhoso, Márcio Júnior, Produção!
Hi guys, okay, about the filling is grated coconut, extra vanilla, and unsalted butter, and brown sugar, water, and milk. So we're gonna mix all together and we're gonna cook this. Okay guys, I'm gonna make it fillings now. So we have, I'm gonna first the butter, okay? Yeah, lagyan natin yung butter para mag-melt. And sugar. Yeah. And then the dough is still making. So, okay guys. Lagyan natin yung extra vanilla. Coconut. Okay. Next one. And milk. Ayan. And water, people. Okay guys, look at that. This is called filling sandwich.
Sanders doing the washing up.
Good job, son.
No.
Yeah. Good boy, yeah? Are you so busy? You're washing up. Look at that. Amazing. Okay guys, it's all done and all cooked. Waiting for the dough. I'm gonna put this one on the side to go down. I'm ready to peel. Thank you.
Olá! Se tiver coronavírus no Brasil, é culpa dos ricos. É culpa dos ricos. Porque o pobre não viaja para a China. O pobre não viaja para a China. Como é que vai trazer esse vírus? É culpa do rico. A culpa é toda dos ricos.
Hi guys, okay, the dough is ready, so I need to make now. Look at this. Oh, amazing. But I need to put a little bit. Okay. Wow. Already rinsed a lot, so I need my nut. I need my nut. Okay guys, look at that. Wow. Open it. Okay. Roller blade. Roller thing. I'm looking at my roller blade. Okay guys, look at this. This one is nice bread as well. Coconut. Okay guys. This is the fillings. Lagyan natin siya dyan, ha? Oh, amazing. Like this. Panache, look at this. You need to cover this, people. Look at this. Amazing. Good. Put in there. Nice. The other one is okay guys. Wow, nice, isn't it? It's a massive. Look at that. Amazing. Find the Coco. Guys, look. Okay. That's it. Another one. Hi guys. is done. So I'm gonna brush this one with the egg on top. But before anything, I need to put the ball inside. Okay. And then okay, people. Wash natin siya, okay? Done. Just like this. Done. Okay, people, I need to put na in the oven. Yes, everything. Okay guys, it's 160 degree and 25 minutes. Okay guys, it's cooked. Oh my god, that's amazing. Look at this. Wow. It's really good. It's really hot, really good. Amazing. Guys, thank you for your watching. Hopefully you liked it. My pandy Coco, yummy smell. Baker. Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Luli, Binya Kuma. Hola, amigo Marzo Jr. Binya Kuma. Hi guys, okay, I want to try my pandy coco, coconut bread. Wow, look amazing. Look at that. It's really hot, but I think it's so yummy. But this bread, oh my god, it's nice to be eaten warm. Okay. It's really not, but it's really hot, guys. Hopefully you like my recipe, people, and please subscribe and like. Press the button down below. And thank you and have a nice day. Mwah, love you all. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking pandy coco coconut bread. I love you all. God bless. Bye now. See you our next video. Mwah.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life, and what does it show? We love food world, we love